how to change size in CapCut. So we are just customizing the ratio of social media platforms. So first of all, we will just have to launch the CapCut application, and you will just have to put a video on this timeline. So the option is go for the right slide in the end. And as you can see, the second last option is aspect ratio. We will just tap on it as well. And after, as you can see, there's a 9 by 16, which is a TikTok sign. And if you want to just upload on Instagram, so you will be just selected the 1 by 1. And there another is 16 by 9 if you want to upload on YouTube. So this will be the perfect size for the YouTube, 16 by 9. Again, you will just have to upload for YouTube, which is short, so 4.3. So these are the four of social media aspect ratio on CapCut, and you'll just have to change with the video. So just when you just confirm, just put the export button, which is top right corner, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.